I'm gonna show you how to find your Wi-Fi password. Say for instance, you at somebody's house, or maybe somebody give you the password and you want to save it, or maybe you forgot your password and you want to remember it, because sometimes these passwords are automatically saved. So first thing what you want to do, just go down here to your search. And what you want to do is start typing network. And you see right here where it says view network connections. Click on that. Once you click on it, you'll see the network that you're connected to. You see right here the wireless. So what I want to do is right click and go to status. Once I go to status, you want to go right here to where it says wireless properties. Click on it. Once you go to wireless properties, go to security. And there you go right there where it says hitting. You can just click this show characters and it's going to show you the passcode. And that's all you do. So let me walk you through this again. First, what you want to do is go down here in your Windows 11 and start typing network. And you see right here where it says view network connections. Click on it. Then you see right here where it says Wi-Fi. You want to right click and go to status. Then once you go to status, you want to click right here where it says wireless properties. Click on that. Go up here where it says security. And then right here, there's your password. You just click show characters and it's going to show your password. I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.